81 K10, 1-ton swap. Got a 305 foot cam in. Got Dana 44 big bearing in the front. You got 4x14 in the rear. 8-inch skyjacker frame. Got the skyjacker drop kit for the sway bar. Get a shackle flip in the rear. Sitting on some bald ass 38. I'm gonna eventually put some super swampers on it. Got brush welded mufflers on there. Manual with the grain gear. Edlebrock, 1406, electric choke, long tooth summit headers, a dual plane manifold, got a Engine Pro 466 lift camshaft, 290 duration. They don't make it anymore. Love the damn sound of this thing. Baby right here.